Ndichikutambirai zvekare pano paHadzirare 263 pano pachange ndichikuzivisai manews updates ezvinhu zviri kuitika munyika yedu yeZimbabwe. Saka kana uchiri munyowani pathis YouTube channel yokusubscribe mahara wotena on the notification bell so that pandinoramba ndichidzoka neamwe manews updates kubva pano paHadzirare 263 unova uchibatsirikana nekumawana kana kumaona pano paHadzirare 263. Vadikani malikes enyu akakosha zvikuru. Kusubscribe zvinobatsira kuti iwewe usazosarire panyaya dzemanews updates ezvo zviri kuitika munyika yedu yeZimbabwe. Chekutanga ndati hama dzangu, pasi nemadrugs akashata pasi nawo. Kana watambudzwa nemwana anoita zvemadrugs, comment section ndeyedu adikani, ende madrugs apandutsa vazhinji. Ukaona munhu atanga kuita zvemadrugs, chasara kuba, ende hapana chaanoita chine musoro mukurarama kwake. Chenjedzo idzi ndogara nichidzipa pano paHadzirare 263 kuitira vechidiki avo vasiri kufamba munzira dzakanaka vafambe munzira dzakanaka. Vadikani madrugs akashata, atikurudzire kuti munhu aite zvemadrugs. Madrugs hapana chaanokuchinja. Ndinonzwa vamwe vachitaura vachiti madrugs kana kuti fodya dzinopa confidence. Musanyeperani, unozviparadza, unofa usati nguva yako isati yakwana. Unouraya mapapu wakafa nguva yako isati yakwana. Ndochenjedzo yandinopa pano paHadzirare 263. Video randaina zvaro muzora nhasi ividhiyo remukomana remurume, tingoti murume akaimba song yekuti mudendere. Ndo song yakamuitisa mbiri. Murume uyu anoyeshedzwa nezita rekuti Dobadon ndo zita rake. Vadikani ari kupengeswa nekuda kwemadrugs. Iye pavidhiyo anga achiti haasi kuda help, asi isusu toda kuti tione vidhiyo iroro tese tivataripedza ubva wanotsobhilivha kuti madrugs akashata, madrugs hachisi chinhu chakanaka, zvakashata. Ukaona wakuita zvemadrugs wakeswa. Ndatione this video.
Yeah, same as Dali.
Badan. Wagwan King.
Yeah, man, Wagwan, yes.
A long time we no link up, man.
Yeah, man, I did some there, you know.
You there, pan?
Otherwise, how are you?
Easy skanking, how the thing?
Everything nice, just a cool weather, you know. In a place where I'm born, it's a water and I saw me there.
Maybe before you freestyle, Dobadan,
yeah.
You could start by telling us, there's a lot of people that who are worried about you. How do you respond to that? How do you respond to them when they say there is need for a call for help for Dobadon? How do you respond to that?
What I want to know is what's the issue about them getting worried about me, you know? Some people get worried because them know want me to get rich, you know. So if they see me on a bigger picture, they say, how could they get on a bigger picture? We have to, you get a sense. So all the people get worried to see me on a better picture. We say, God bless you, and God will bless me one day. You can't fast things, and I say, you can't wake up and I say, I'm just big and I get money and I have plenty of things, so you can't wake up. You see? But still, give thanks for everything, and people appreciate me art. Because one thing I want to tell people is, yeah.
So Dobadon, what inspires the look? The look, I see the
like what?
Pink, green, the look. The looks, I see the pink looks, green looks. What inspires the looks?
Pink represents truth, yeah, spiritually. So when I talk about pink are just the truth, you know. It's a color for real people. Then green is nature. So nowadays I have a new pattern I call is color blending. So color have to mix up. When color mix up so nice, it's so, you know, so perfect. Some people them just wear some different type of clothes and I say grey, pink, and you know, we can't joke on people nowadays because I'm a serious businessman, you see me. But still, the most important thing about people who have love around the art is they care and they know what's the meaning of art before art, you see me. So for me to start art, you cannot start art without a heart. You get a sense? So me, as a youth from Ruwatown, I start the art with the heart. So from that, I'm just noticed that I cannot be an artist that wake up driving a Range Rover without, you know, driving myself with melody. You see me? That's the realest thing.
Doba, myself looking at you and others who will be looking at you watching Taris, some would say they should be worried about you. I am equally worried about you.
Yeah,
do you
yeah,
believe
yeah.
that? Do you believe that there is need for
No,
help?
But you know what? The most boring part about those people getting worried is they get worried, but they don't help the artist. So it's not fair. You understand? How could somebody get worried and him can't help the artist? It's selfish. It's rather than not attack my name or attack my people and everything that I'm doing in my circle. Because it's bad mind. If you see someone hungry for food, just take a bag of food, then you give him. Don't say, last time I gave him food. It's not fair because that's not realness. So for people who have the real heart, we can't do things to make people see. You get the sense?
I like the point that you make. Someone will say last time I gave him food, because I know a number of people have come out, to try and help you.
When you are somebody who is not like I'm up to the time, but I'm down to the earth, you see me? Because from my to be who I am today, I have to believe the earth is what there for me, because I don't know bad like earth, you see me? So just wanna say to all the people who pressure upon things, you have to pressure upon life before things, because from your pressure upon a gene and a care, what's the next thing you're gonna get? You ain't gonna get love, because a genie won't say, I love you, my friend. You get the sense? But somebody always say, yeah, what's up, man? Hey, I don't have a lot about, hey, if I have $1, then go drink. You understand? Appreciate.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, the real.
I want to be positive right now, Dobadon. When was the last time you did work with Oskid? I know you bagger he's with Oskid production. Do you miss Oskid?
Oskid, I have to say, he's a big producer. Yeah, man, world class. And we can't disrespect him out, and we just respect it from there on, just that. But the last time we did, it was last year. But right now, I'm trying to work with new producers. Then I have to put him on a picture, because he's the realest producer of all the times. You see? Yeah.
You don't miss working with him?
It's not like missing him, like him my girlfriend.
No.
Wine up, and then the Jataganda, Talante.